Oh, what's up, bro?
Hey, yo, bro, you trying to go out to eat? I'm a little hungry.
Nah, I was gonna try to see what's in the fridge to eat.
Ooh, yo, whatever you do, do not go into that refrigerator.
What do you mean I don't want to go into the fridge? Of course I want to go to the fridge, man. I'm hungry. I want to see what's in there.
Because, man, the ghost of leftovers past is in there. Yo, I'm telling you, do not go in there.
The what now? The ghost of leftovers past? The hell is that?
Oh shit, that's right, you don't know.
No, nigga, you didn't tell me anything.
Well, the ghost of a leftovers past shows up whenever you leave too many leftover foods in there from when you cooked previously.
Man, that's the most ridiculous crap I ever heard, man.
Bro,
man, look,
just listen to me, man. Do not go into that refrigerator, all right? Come on, please. Let's just go get something to eat, man. I'm telling you, like, you do not want to go in that refrigerator right now.
All right, just no. I'm gonna eat. I'm going to eat. I'm just gonna eat.
Just hold the fuck on, okay?
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, who are you? Who are you?
For it is I, the ghost of leftovers past!
Ghost of leftovers past? Is this even a thing? Nigga, I just told you it was a real thing. Oh my god. What do you want? Why are you even here? Why are you in my fridge?
You have been found guilty of not finishing your food and leaving it to rot within me!
Shoot, what? I'm not gonna clean it. Shoot, that refrigerator most stink my ex-girlfriend pussy, man. Like, no, I'm not. I just can't clean it, alright?
Or if you do not finish the food that rots within me, I will feast upon the corpse of your future generations!
I'm sorry, you gonna feast on my what?
He needs some milk.
No. Nope. I'm gone. No. Look here. I'm leaving. That's what's happening.
Leaving? What you mean leaving?
You talking about feasting on my future generation? Oh no, I'm not having that.
Negro,
No,
it's just a freaking refrigerator. All you gotta do is clean it out.
Hey man, you better pack your stuff.
Look, man, I ain't going nowhere. All right, like just clean out the damn refrigerator.
Well, guess what? You gonna stay here. I'm gonna get a new house, a new fridge, and a new roommate. How about that?
Oh my god,
I'm gone. Can't do it anymore. I'm gone.